Hey guys, what's up? It's Jacob here again. So this is day 2 of my JavaScript studying experiment, or I don't know, just like long extended session. Again, I don't really have anything planned for this video. I'm just recording my thoughts and feelings about it. So yesterday, uh, technically this is day 2 for the YouTube series or whatever, but I started a day before this. So this is actually my third day of doing like pure JavaScript learning, trying to do it for very sustained periods of time until I feel like I've significantly moved further in my comprehension of it. So yesterday I spent a lot of time, a couple different, probably around like 7 hours, and those hours are like 45-minute to 50-minute chunks with like a 10-minute break. Sometimes they're an actual hour, but usually I get very fatigued and I run away from studying for a little bit, and then I finally convince myself to come back. But what I really got through was like a lot of the MDN JavaScript documentation, and then I read through a bunch of different JavaScript libraries. Let me see if I can tell you guys which ones I've been focusing on. So the ones I've accumulated a bunch since I started this whole thing, but the ones that I am looking into reading and I've already started are Babel Core Source, Core.js Internals, npm/lib, React Bootstrap/CJS, React Helmet, React Router DOM, React Syntax Highlighter /source, React Fixtures, React Scripts, Webpack lib, and WebSocket lib. So there's a bunch of different JavaScript in there, including some things that are TypeScript, which that's something that seems inevitable when you try and go in the JavaScript direction. You eventually just start writing TypeScript. So anyways, other things. At this point in time, I've read through a lot of the MDN documentation. I've started on the React documentation. I've kind of consolidated. I'm going to be learning more about Webpack. I'm going to be learning more about Babel. I'm going to be learning more about TypeScript. I'm going to be learning more about the Create React App script. There's like an entire site for documentation on that. And I'm going to be reading a bunch of source code from those different libraries that I have accumulated. And so that's basically it, but I'm feeling like pretty good about it. Nothing amazing. I'm still pretty confused, but the syntax is getting a lot more familiar for me, especially some of the weird things. But I can think of some stuff that I don't know what it means or if it's even legal. There was this one thing in some of the source code I was reading that was pretty strange. But anyways, so this is day 2. For this series, and I'm gonna basically do the same thing and let you guys know how it goes on day 3. And ultimately the main goal here is just to become as strong of a programmer as possible, basically to have the greatest comprehension I can of the programming that I'm doing, and so that I can build the things that I want to build as efficiently as possible in the future. So that's basically, it's a little bit, I don't know. Also, I'm kind of just bored, I guess. Nothing really better to do. And this seems pretty interesting and challenging, so try and do this. So anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.